A protein bar, the taste of which you will love. Helps build and maintain muscle mass. Great, weight loss friendly snack. Perfect for a pre/post-workout meal. Covered in milk chocolate. Order now. What is Nuviago? Nuviago is an excellent, full-bodied protein bar that will help you achieve and maintain your dream figure without sacrificing your love for sweets. The right proportions of nutrients provide ideal support for physically active people, both amateur and professional. And all this in the form of a delicious and filling bar with the taste of cookies and cream. Nuviago, the only protein supplement you need. The Nuviago protein bar is perfect for breakfast, ideal for the morning rush. Before working out, a boost of energy required for exercise. After working out, dose of protein to strengthen your muscles. On a diet, a small amount of sugar and only 173 kilocalories. For dessert, you will love this taste right from the start. While traveling, a convenient snack, eat where you want. Order now. What does the Nuviago bar offer? Protein. Nuviago contains high-quality protein, up to 20 grams per bar. Such a dose of protein will not only strengthen the effects of your workouts, but also ensure faster muscle regeneration. But that's not all. Protein is accompanied by other valuable substances, such as fiber, that will support your digestive system. Delicious taste. Nutrition and training support aren't enough. The Nuviago protein bar has a unique taste and texture. The product has everything we love the most: a crispy interior, with the taste of cookies and cream under a velvety milk chocolate coating. A delicious snack, which not only will not harm your figure, but will even strengthen the effects of your efforts. A small amount of sugar. Nuviago is a bar designed not only for your taste buds, but also for your health and figure. Our snack won't go to your hips or on your belly. We have made sure that each bar contains the minimum amount of sugars, and only those that are naturally present in the products used to make it. Nuviago is not a cheat meal, quite the contrary. It's extra fuel on your path to fitness. Expert opinion. The Nuviago protein bar is an excellent way to ensure a healthy dose of protein and energy. An adequate supply of protein in your diet is extremely important, especially for those who exercise. Proteins are the building blocks of the muscles, without which it is impossible to sculpt your figure or regenerate effectively after a workout. Whether you exercise to lose weight or build mass, you want to burn fat, not muscle. If we don't get enough protein, our workouts won't bring the expected results. Why is it worth going for a Nuviago protein bar? Firstly, a high protein content, with low calorific value and reduced sugar. This makes the snack a great substitute for a protein supplement. Easton Elliott Fitness Trainer. Order now. Testimonials. My first experience with protein bars ended in success. Nuviago is ideal as a post-workout supplement. My gym bag is much lighter since I don't carry a protein supplement and a shaker in it. From now on, I only need Nuviago. Ken. Thanks to Nuviago, I survived my diet. It is an excellent source of protein and energy that I need, and at the same time a tasty, healthy and low-calorie dessert. I recommend it to anyone who wants to lose weight without having to sacrifice sweets. Govind. The best protein bars I have ever eaten. I always have them at hand, at home, at work, in the car, while on vacation. They are great after working out, when the exhausted body needs carbohydrates and protein. Christopher. I've tried dozens of different bars and I have to admit Nuviago are the best. What's more, I don't have to buy any additional pre- and post-workout supplements. Nuviago contains all the nutrients a person needs when training intensively. Maria. FAQ. 01. What is Nuviago? 02. How many bars are there in one package? 03. What flavor is a Nuviago bar? 04. What distinguishes a Nuviago bar from other competing products? 05. Where is the product made? 06. How can I pay for the product? 07. How long will I wait for my package to be delivered? Strengthen your body with Nuviago. Check the offer and get to know the promotional packages. Order now.